And Sacchitanand Uttekar is now with us for a quick technical check on the market. Sacchitanand, at these levels, is there a buying opportunity? Because the dip hasn't come through, and your stock calls.
Good afternoon, Nima. Good afternoon, almost. I think clearly the market momentum has been very strong and very significant. Even if you look at the Nifty Bank, especially, it has broken about that 25th March high of 52,000, and it is sustaining well. So if you look at the contribution slate, clearly, banks are leading from the front. We're expecting this rally in Nifty Bank to continue towards 54,000 eventually. If you look at the OI data as well, there's a very convincing base at around 52,000, which has been built in. And we may see a strong elevated rally towards 52,650 during this particular week itself, followed by a move towards 53,400. When we look at Nifty as well, almost 70% of the fall has already been covered. And the way, writers are confident at that base of around 23,000, I think that particular base will also shift towards 23,300 eventually. And even here, we are expecting this particular rally to continue towards 24,000. So it's a long, call on both the indices. If you look at Nifty Bank, the conviction is much more higher. One can place a stop loss somewhere close to around 52,260 on a closing basis. And long positions can still be added for a target of around 52,650, which could be achieved during this particular week itself. When we look at the stock calls, Kotak Mahindra Bank is, has displayed a fresh breakout from its bullish flag formation. The pattern is indicating a price target towards 2250. Stop loss can be placed at around 2090, and fresh long positions can be added here. The other stock on our radar has been Bajaj Finserv, which we have also recommended to our clients. If you look at the overall weekly structure, there has been a very strong relative outperformance by this counter. On the weekly scale, we have a kind of a cup and handle formation, indicating a price target close to around 2090. So the reward to risk opportunity is still better. One can keep a stop loss at 1940 on a closing basis and still continue building long positions for a trading target of around 2040, followed by a positional target at around 2090.
All right, Sacchitanand, thank you so much for sparing time and joining us with your views on the index and on specific stocks as well. And a small programming note for our viewers.